In this video, I'll demonstrate block replace command in BricsCAD V22. This command can be used to replace an existing block in a drawing with any other block in the same drawing. I'll give block replace command and you will get the block replace dialog box. You can select a block either by clicking on the desired block name which are displayed here or by picking using the pick box. Suppose if you want to replace W2, you can select W2 and I'll give OK. Now you have to specify the block to replace with. I'll select W2A and I'll give OK. Now you can see that all instances of this block got replaced. Means the block W2 is replaced by W2A. Now let's see whether the block W2 is existing in this drawing. I'll go to Drawing Explorer and here when you click on the blocks, you can see the blocks you have in your drawing, and when you go through the list of blocks, you can see that the block W2 is removed from this drawing. That is because in the block replace command, there is an option to purge unreferenced blocks. But once you uncheck this option, the block will not get removed or purged when it gets replaced with some other block. Next, we will see the procedure to replace a particular instance of a block. Before that, I'll undo these changes. I'll give block replace command again. Now click on select particular block instance option and using the picking option, select the block to replace. Give an enter and give OK. Now select the block to replace the selected block instance. I want to replace it with W2A and give OK. Now you can see that only that particular instance of the block got replaced. So that's all about the function and application of block replace command in BricsCAD V22.